At an election rally in Simulia, Odisha, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of turning soldiers into labourers through the Agniveer scheme. He criticised the BJP for insulting the people of Odisha, referencing a recent claim by a BJP leader that Lord Jagannath is a devotee of Modi.
मोदी को देखा लक्षाधि लोक आसछंती मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ मोदी भक्त जगन्नाथ.
Gandhi pledged to protect the constitution and democracy and promised that an India bloc government would implement legal MSP on food grains, waive farm loans and scrap the Agniveer scheme. He assured that all soldiers would receive pensions, canteen facilities and the honour of Shaheed in case of their death. Gandhi also alleged that the BJD works in partnership with the BJP and highlighted the numerous defamation and criminal cases filed against him by the centre. He contrasted this with the lack of such cases against BJD leader Naveen Patnaik, questioning Patnaik's opposition to the BJP. Gandhi cited the Congress' success in breaking the BRS-BJP alliance in Telangana and promised similar efforts in Odisha. He criticized the BJP for waiving loans of the wealthy and committed to waiving farmers' loans if the Indy bloc comes to power. Additionally, he announced plans to enhance Manrega wages to Rs 400 and introduce the Mahalakshmi Yojana to support farmers, unemployed youth and others.
अग्निवीर योजना से देश के युवाओं को ज़बरदस्त नुकसान हो रहा है, मगर अदानी जैसे अरबपतियों को फ़ायदा हो रहा है. एक 75 साल का व्यक्ति अपने मित्रों की मदद करने के लिए 22 साल के युवाओं को रिटायर कर रहा है. देश में दो तरीके के शहीद बनाए जा रहे हैं. एक जो नॉर्मल जवान होगा उसको पेंशन मिलेगी, उसको कैंटीन मिलेगी और अगर कुछ हुआ तो उसे शहीद का दर्जा मिलेगा. मगर आप अग्निवीर, आपको कुछ ही समय बाद बाहर फेंक दिया जाएगा. आपको ना पेंशन मिलेगी ना कैंटीन मिलेगी और अगर आपको चोट लगी या आप शहीद हुए तो आपको शहीद का दर्जा भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. ये थी पहली बात. दूसरी बात, आप चाइना के जवान के सामने खड़े होंगे. चाइना का जवान 4-5 साल की ट्रेनिंग के लेके आएगा और हमारे लोग 6 महीने की ट्रेनिंग लेकर उनसे लड़ेंगे. नतीजा आपको मालूम है. ये हिंदुस्तान की देशभक्ति से, हिंदुस्तान की सेना से खिलवाड़ है. ये मोदी जी का कॉन्सेप्ट है, सेना का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. और जैसे ही हमारी इंडिया की सरकार आएगी, हम आपके लिए और देश के लिए अग्निवीर को रद्द कर देंगे, खत्म कर देंगे.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi concluded his Lok Sabha campaign with a strong warning to the opposition, stating he could expose sins of their 7 generations. Speaking at a rally, Modi emphasized that the opposition should not misunderstand his silence. The day Modi opens his mouth, he will bring out the sins of your 7 generations, he declared, underscoring his readiness to reveal damaging information if provoked further.
मैं चुप बैठा हूं, इसका मतलब ये समझिए, गलती मत कीजिए मोदी को समझने की. अगर मोदी जिस दिन मुंह खोलेगा तो हमारी 7 पीढ़ी के पाप निकाल करके रख दूंगा.
Modi criticized the Indy alliance for politicizing the armed forces and defended the Agnipath scheme, a program for short-term military recruitment aimed at modernizing the military and making it more self-reliant. He accused his rivals of seeking voter support by promising to scrap the measure, insisting that the armed forces should be battle-ready, not used as political tools. Modi also targeted the Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, accusing them of entrenched corruption. He linked Aam Aadmi Party to an infant who stole the nurse's ring at birth, suggesting inherent corruption from its inception. It took Congress 60 years to do a PhD in corruption, but Aam Aadmi Party are born corrupt, he said, linking AAP's alleged corruption directly to Congress, which he claimed had given birth to corruption in the country.